Okay. This is the aorta right here. Aortic arch right here. Okay. It goes behind the heart and lungs all the way down to the diaphragm. This is the thoracic aorta right here. Okay. First branch off the aorta is this blood vessel right here. Okay, that's the brachiocephalic trunk. Brachiocephalic trunk has 3 branches off of it. Okay. The first branch is this one here that goes to the arm. This is the right subclavian artery. The second branch is this one here, which goes up to the right side of the head. This is the right common carotid. The third branch is this one here that goes up to the left side of the head. That's the left common carotid artery. Okay. Second branch off the aorta is the left subclavian. It's its own branch. It's not attached at all to the brachiocephalic trunk. Now the subclavian arteries are going to go to the body wall. And when they pass the body wall, out here, they become what is called the axillary artery. So this is the left axillary artery underneath the vein here. Okay, and this is going to be the left brachial artery here. Okay, so you have the right one here. So there's the right subclavian artery, right axillary artery, and then the right brachial artery would be in here, but it's not dissected. Okay, so for the veins, okay, this one right here attached to the heart is the superior vena cava. These 2 branches right here are the brachiocephalic veins. There are 3 branches off the brachiocephalic vein: the subclavian vein, the external jugular vein, and the internal jugular vein. Internal jugular vein follows the common carotid artery. Subclavian vein is really just from here to here. It's very, very short. Once you pass the rib cage, it becomes the axillary vein. When you get into the arm over here, it's the brachial vein. Okay. Under the heart here, you've got the inferior vena cava. Goes through the diaphragm. Okay. Just like the thoracic aorta goes through the diaphragm. When you come out on the other side, you have the abdominal aorta here and the inferior vena cava here. The first branch off the abdominal aorta is the celiac trunk. The second branch off the abdominal aorta is the superior mesenteric artery. Third branch is the renal artery. Fourth is the gonadals, but you don't have to know those. Fifth is the inferior mesenteric artery here. The only branch off the inferior vena cava that you have to know are the renal veins. Okay, left and right. Okay, so there's the other one right there. Okay. Now, when you get down to the bottom, to the pelvis area here, the abdominal aorta is going to branch into the external iliac artery. So this is going to be the left external iliac artery. And then this artery that goes down into the pelvis, which is the internal iliac artery. So this would be the left internal iliac artery. The external iliac artery is going to go through the body wall. When it comes through on the other side, it becomes the femoral artery. Okay? Now the veins, okay, the inferior vena cava is going to branch. Okay, when it branches, this is the common iliac veins. These are common iliac veins. So there's the left common iliac vein, right common iliac vein. Now the common iliac vein, when it gets close to the body wall, is going to branch as well. Hopefully you can see that there. So one branch here, one branch down there. Okay, so this is going to be the internal iliac vein. This is going to be the external iliac vein. When the external iliac vein goes through the body wall, here it becomes the femoral vein. Okay? Any questions?